My name is Heledd Wyn and I'm a visual artist, a filmmaker, photographer, and also I create art for exhibitions. I've done a year of being a Future Wales Fellow where I was looking at nature connection in my work and the importance and respect and the dignity and grace of being in nature brings to our work as artists. And Mostyn Gallery invited me to deliver these two workshops. Yesterday we looked at the power of nature in my work, how nature inspires us as creative people to reflect, to process, to have time to breathe, to be grounded, to plant seeds, to allow them to expand and grow. And basically the forest bathing, the Shinrin Yoku that I've been sharing today here in Forest Gwydyr has been moving and emotional and sensual, and all of those elements are key to my work as an artist. And as a Future Wales Fellow, my current work is non-dreaming, where we reduce our consumption, where we reduce our greed, and we reduce our speed in which we vibrate on this earth. Because Mother Nature, Mother Earth, is a key element in this work, non-dreaming. The participatory element of this work has been fundamental. The sensory experience that the participants have experienced has been emotional and also quite fun. And I think it's important for us to join, a bit like fungi do, to join and connect with each other within nature in order to be creative.